Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to quickly start off by showing you my pink Halloween nails. So I kind of changed them up a bit and did like a black drip with this pop pink background, and I really like them. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And today I'm reviewing the Rosalind 24 piece, or actually 20 piece gel polish that they've kindly sent me. And I really like how small and lightweight these bottles are. I just thought that they would be perfect for like traveling. And the consistency of these gel polishes, they weren't too thick, they were quite thin in my opinion, but their pigment was quite good. I also do like that they've thrown in some really like different kind of glitter shades. I really like the first one I swatched, and the second one looks kind of like a brown, but it's not. I believe it's like a cat eye, or like one of those where you use on top of a black background, and it has like these purple shimmers. The rest, as you can see, are some really nice holographic ones. You also get some like rose gold and like chunky mixed glitters as well, which is really nice. And this shade that I just swatched now, the purple, is actually my favorite. It's the one I'm using today. It's like this beautiful purple plum color, and yeah, I just really like that one. And when I was swatching those purples in the middle there, I noticed they were all quite similar, which was a little bit disappointing, but I mean, that's just what you get in the kit, so do bear that in mind when you go to purchase. And these are all the shades. I did cure them for 60 seconds and they all cured fully. And again, really like the first shade, and the one right underneath it was beautiful. So that's what I'm going to start off with. I'm just going to start off with that purple shade, and as you can see, it's like this beautiful dark bright purple, and it's like very jelly like it's like a jelly shade. I really like that you could also build this up to make it really opaque. And this reminded me a lot of the Glitterbels Purple Rain. No, not Purple Rain, that's the acrylic, sorry, the gel polish. It's called Purple Possum. Yeah, Purple Possum. I have done a swatch and review video of my Glitterbel gel polishes as well, so I can link that down below as well. And for the design, I'm going in with that third kind of holographic purple shade, and I'm just doing a classic French tip, and I decided to do like another like smile line right above it. I just thought this looked nice and different, so I kind of just went in with that. Very simple to do. And the brush I'm using is from AliExpress. It's just my my liner brush. It's nothing fancy. I've had it for years and it works really well. A little tip when using your gel brushes, don't wipe them off in acetone or any like harsh chemicals afterwards. Just coat them in some clear top coat or base coat and try to get out as much like gel polish as you can, and then leave that top coat in there. Like, don't wipe that away, because when you start to clean your brush off with rubbing alcohol or acetone, it really dries out your bristles, so you really don't want to do that, and then the brush kind of dries up and it kind of separates a bit. So I've been doing that for years with this brush, and it's still really good. It's one of my favorite brushes, and yeah, so do try that out. Next, I'm going in with the glitter shade I said I really liked. This is like a good chunky glitter shade. It's got like this hot pink and purple glitters in there. I really like that, and I believe it's got like some super fine pieces in there as well. And I'm just doing like a little gradient with that. And for the rest, I'm basically doing these small ghosts. And now I'm just finishing off with some top coat, and this is basically the finished look. You could do these as press-ons or on your own nails. And if you do them as press-on nails, then do buff the surface of your nail tips before you go to apply gel polish on them, because that helps with the gel polish to grip onto the surface. So yeah, do definitely bear that in mind. But other than that, I really like this whole set. I do wish there was more variation in colors, but I really like that it had like a lot of different glitters as well. Maybe this was more of like just a purple and pink kit, but yeah, I do still feel like some of the purple shades could have been a bit more different. And this is me showing you that I accidentally cured my plate. So here I am going to clean it off and then realizing that I completely just cured everything. So I'm gonna go in with my spatula and scrape these off. But yeah, don't be that person, and just be careful when you're curing not to have your plate next to your UV light like me. Okay, so that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like how quick and simple this look was to do, and the gel polishes were great. So if you're interested in purchasing this set out, then check out the link in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.